A big thank you to Organic Basics for sponsoring this extreme declutter video. We've got a 15% discount code linked below, but more on that later, because right now, this is the sad state of our van.
So today we are going to extreme declutter this van. Lou and I have been away from the van for a few weeks now on a different trip, which was amazing, but when you come back from a trip, you just have so much stuff. Now we are surrounded by everything and it's extremely overwhelming. So we are going to organize our clothes, organize all of our gear, but more than that, the van is disgusting right now. Like, the kitchen is gross, the bathroom is gross. We left in such a hurry that like we didn't clean properly, and now we have to deal with that. So we need to do an extreme declutter and an extreme deep clean so that we can enjoy van life again, because right now the space is very small and very chaotic and it's not really livable. So hopefully in a few hours we can get this thing sorted and be comfortable again.
All right, this is the spot we found. Not too much going on around here. It's just us. Ta-da!
Woo! That actually took way longer than we expected. But clothing is set, other than there is definitely some clothing that has found its way into the desk section, which we need to do. So it's either, do you want to do the junk drawer desk section, or do you want to do gear?
Let's do my electronics section.
That's chaos as well. Gear organized. Now to the real problem child of this family. Down below, the desk section.
Bum 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 bum.
The laptop cooling station. Alpine bivvy. This was something we thought we would be doing a lot of van life. It's like going camping in the middle of nowhere and just hiking up and bringing a bivvy, which is just kind of like a coffin of a sleeping, or of a tent. We've used them one time, Lou. It's like this we cannot keep. Tow cable. Luckily, we've never even had to use this. But it's like, this takes up a whole lot of room. Maybe we would be sad though if we needed it and we didn't have it.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep that. I'm gonna clean down here. So, should I put some stuff away? I need to figure out a way to make it so it won't move when we're driving. Because that's the worst. You get this section organized, it feels amazing, and then 2 seconds later, everything has fallen to the front, you know? It almost needs a divider.
Yeah, that'd be great.
But that's a problem for another day.
How about this toe strap?
Oh, yeah.
And the camping stove?
Yeah. Thank you.
Camping pot?
Yeah. I think that's...
I think, yeah, if it's like packed in tighter,
I know.
then it won't budge.
There we go.
Nice.
So
I think that's the
like,
best it's ever been.
we have finished the desk section. It is looking very good, but now we have to do the kitchen. So I need to dilute this. Oh, it's working so well. This is like dirty to clean in an instant. Isn't that nice? It's just wiping away all the grime. I really thought you were gonna have to repaint it, but this is working perfect.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet.
This is where it gets really gross.
It would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces.
I'm like nervous to cook tonight. To get it all clean and then make it messy right over again. You know? Please go in and take a look for yourself. Come on, check it out. Ooh and ah, and tell me I did a good job. Okay, so it's day 2 of our extreme cleaning operation on the van, and the kitchen is set except for the fridge, but the bathroom is disgusting, and we have a bit of a problem because this tube here that connects our pee separation to the jug that collects the pee is broken, and you see that? Gross. It's leaking. But we have a new pipe, but we don't know if it will fit, so we have to do a little bit of repairs before we get into the clean. Gross. Are you doing them or am I doing them?
I can do them if you want.
Yeah.
All right.
Ew. Did the pipe just break?
Yeah. There's no going back now.
Okay, explain what's happening.
So there's no pipe that fits the bottom of the toilet and into the pee jug because the bottom of the toilet is wide and the pee jug is narrow. So you need this little adapter thing that we built so that this pipe fits onto the toilet, and then you shove this piece in here and then that fits into the pee jug.
Oh.
So that's how it works. It's like very makeshift because there's no like pieces that work perfectly. So it's a bit of a mishmash.
Oh. Did you get it?
Almost. Haha.
And?
Look at that.
Hey!
There we go.
And?
No leaks.
Thank you.
No amount of soap is enough. All right, now we just gotta clean down there.
Woo! Need to put everything back in.
Cool. What?
It has mold, so I'm gonna do bleach.
Fridge time?
Yucky. Here. Lou and I were joking earlier, like when we lived in apartments, We always were like, we're kind of messy. Well, I'm a little bit messy, but we're not dirty. Like, we like a clean kitchen. We like clean stuff. Like, when things get gross, it grosses us out. But I think, like, as van life has progressed and we've gotten more comfortable even just not having showers every day and just dealing in such a small space that's hard to clean, we've kind of like let go a little bit.
Yeah.
When it comes to cleanliness. So now I think we're gonna up our game again. We're gonna have a very clean house very soon.
Wow.
Can you believe it? It feels so good in here. It smells clean and everything is put away. And I feel very relieved. And now I think we should either go swimming or take a shower, or ideally both. And I just wanted to say one more thing. A big thank you to Organic Basics for sponsoring this video. All the clothes that we are wearing, this top, these leggings, Lou's t-shirt he was wearing in the video, and the underwear he's wearing, it's all Organic Basics, and a lot of the stuff that we have from them is with Silver Tech, which is an incredible technology that makes it so your clothes don't smell bad, because it's like antibacterial, the clothes, which is incredible for us in the van. And we even have Silver Tech towels, which have been such a lifesaver for us. They're a very beautiful blue color, and they don't get smelly as quickly, which is really nice. We did it, Lou! I can't believe it. The van has been extreme decluttered and deep cleaned, and it is the same time that we started this all yesterday. So it's crazy to think that 24 hours ago I was sitting on the bed with all of that stuff, and now we are in a perfectly clean home, which is really, really nice. It smells good in here, and everything looks like completely refreshed, which I love. Especially the fridge, because that was disgusting. So I feel very proud of us. What about you?
It's so nice. It's like a brand new home.
Yeah.
It feels so good.
Yeah, I feel like we need to clean more. That's the lesson from this.